Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will do it forever. So today I'm going to tell you a recent success trade in Petronet. It was a positional trade, and let me show you a few screenshot and explain the strategy. So here is my favorite punchline. It's not my recommendation; it's my trade. Meaning, I just inform my friends uh, when I take a position. I'll just not simply recommend any of trades based on just analysis. I'll take the trade and then I recommend. So let's see the trade in Petronet. So these two screenshots show you that the position I was holding. So this was my buy price and sell price and the profit of around 5%. So let's get into the trades. I took a first trade in the sense I bought it on 9 September with some X quantity at 233.1 paise, and then I was expecting 5% return, but it didn't go and it fell down again. Then I took a second buy. So on 22nd September, I bought the double the quantity. If the first was X, then I bought at 2X so that I can average it at a good price. Then I sold it on 22nd October, just last Thursday, few days back, and total holding period was around 40 days. Okay, so if you see, right, so my first price was 233 and the exit price was 235. So if you just link this, right, like if you just compare this value, it's like it's almost at the first price itself, like no, just hardly a few 3 4 rupees gap. Okay, that's the power of averaging. Let's not waste much time. Let's get into a chart and show you why I took the first buy and then why I took the second buy and then how I achieved the target. So strategy is very simple. So right, high time frame and low time frame. So first thing, what we need to make sure to find a good stock and find uptrend in the high time frame, like a weekly or daily. Look for any chart. If you see that it's an uptrend, and make sure you pick that stock. And the second point is at lower time frame, there should be considerable fall, like 5%, 10%, or 15, 20%. If there is a fall like 10 to 15 or 20%, that stock you need to pick. Then third, before you make an entry, look for these three indicators, which I love very much, which gives me a sense that stock is gaining a strength and there is a possible up move in future, minimum for 5% for sure. So MACD, stochastic RSI, and the RSI. So exit strategy is very simple. Just book 5%. Uh, and even like people ask me why 5%. So a few of my close friends looked at my previous videos and they asked me like, can you tell us why 5%? Why not more than that? So what I believe, right? So if any stock falls like 5, 10, 15, 20%, there's a high probability it will come back close to 30, 40% of the overall fall. So that gives me a kind of 99.9% surety it will bounce back a 5% minimum. It may go up, I'm not denying that, but this 5% is very, very accuracy when it comes to hitting the target. So this is something risk management. If once you take a position, if it goes above like 3 4%, you can just put SL with a 1% profit, so that in case of any sharp fall, you will exit with a 1% profit where you don't lose your money. So let's get into chart. I use Zerodha. You know, right? I like this Zerodha technology, and like they have given a lot of technology texts. You know, like a lot of different portals. So I like Zerodha very much, and I'm using that for even trading and chatting purpose. So I have marked everything, you know, like first buy at 233.1, second buy, and this exit. So, okay, first buy. There was a, okay, let's look into the first condition. What was our condition? Let me show you only the chart. Okay, can you see this uptrend? So let me mark this as a trend. So there was uptrend. Our first criteria matched. Simple. At high time frame, the stock has to be in uptrend. Come to second, there should be considerable fall. Can you see like there was a fall and even there was a fall here. So unfortunately, I didn't track this time and I could able to track this time. So why I bought at this price, okay, on 9th of September? Because let me show you this stochastic RSI, and MACD. Can you see I just marked here this line and this line and this line. So let me highlight this with little thick line so that you can easily identify this. So if you see all three right, which gave me a sense that it's going to go up in future. Let me make this big. Okay, see here. So any stochastic RSI comes below this 20, right? So it's going to go up near future. If you see here in previously, right, it came here and then it went back up, right? So with that strength of looking at these three indicators, this give me strength, this gave me a strength signal. Even if you see the RSI, right, it fell down and here it gave strength. I was expecting it to go up, and similarly MACD. So if you see the histogram bar graph, it was going up and up and up and up, and there's a moment it will touch zero and it will go up. This is generally what happens, but unfortunately that didn't happen. It happens. So after this, what happened? Again it came down. Then I looked at here again because stochastic RSI came down and even RSI came below 30, and this also came down. So when RSI reaches like below 30, right, it's like oversold, and it will not stay at this price for long time. So and it was a good price for averaging also. Then I bought double the quantity of this, then I could average at a good price. So then, as expected, it went up, and RSI went up, and even MACD went up. Then I got the target on 22nd October at this price and booked 5.05% profit. So it's very simple. And why I love positional trading than actually intraday. Okay, because I'll get a mental peace when I trade in a positional trading. So and you just you get a lot of time to do analysis, and if anything goes wrong, you can book a loss and come out also. So and there is a huge scope for profit most of the time. So I hope you liked this video. So if you have any questions, you can email me and you can comment to this video. I try to answer in the best possible way. Uh, like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe as well. And one more thing to the beginners, this is a very, very simple strategy, and even anybody can try this with a small quantity, as small as even one quantity, so that maximum they can lose 235 rupees or 224 rupees, right? Ideally, it won't happen in any good stock. None of the such good stocks will become zero overnight or like that. So no, not much risk, but to test or to try, I must say for beginners, take this risk and strive the small quantity and follow this strategy. Definitely you will make a good money. 5% in less than 1 month or 2 months is a very good return compared to any other instrument in the market or in the bank's return. So thank you for watching my video.